WDS is a customer experience specialist and was acquired by Xerox in 2012. We capture, analyse and manage technical support across thousands of devices and in call centres. We use a proprietary cloud-based platform and a raft of analysis tools to help better understand customer interactions. WDS has grown organically and rapidly in recent years, which has put a strain on our storage platform. This was brought home one day when the system went down, taking the business out for 18 hours. We clearly needed a new storage infrastructure. We couldn't afford any more downtime. Of course, we looked at the available technologies from major vendors such as EMC, but we were particularly drawn to the NetApp Cisco FlexPod platform. And there were several reasons for this. Cisco and NetApp have made significant advancements in storage provisioning, memory expansion and stateless servers, enabling quicker deployments of services. The FlexPod platform also incorporates pre-validated designs. This was a further confidence booster in that you know that the various options are already pre-tested, available and ready to go.
FlexPod provides us with compute power and storage on tap that means we can provision new services very quickly. Our NetApp storage platform has two distinct but equally important elements: an on-premise NetApp FlexPod platform and a managed backup service from ANS. The FlexPod platform is extremely flexible and scalable. It can be configured from a few terabytes up to 2 petabytes. This means as an internal IT team, we can now offer the services previously provided by AWS and at a much lower cost. For instance, if clients want to host data in specific regions or on net, we can easily meet those requirements. There's also great resiliency in the FlexPod platform, which advances cloud-based services. Our previous platform crashed when 3 disks went down at the same time. If this was to happen with FlexPod, and it hasn't, it would just keep on running. We can lose complete disk shelves and it will just keep on going. The managed backup service from ANS is also based around NetApp technology. It's a 24/7 monitoring and support service galvanised with rigorous SLAs. It's actually been a relief to have a NetApp storage infrastructure and ANS managed service in place. Using FlexPod gives us a far higher level of confidence in the resiliency and redundancy of our data storage. Now both our budget and backups are working smarter rather than harder, and as a result we can now get on with helping to support and grow our business.
With NetApp, we've definitely made the right decision. It provides us with a combination of features that other vendors just don't deliver in one platform: performance, efficiency and scale. These features are vital in supporting business growth and helping WDS meet its ambitious business objectives.
A NetApp FlexPod is effectively a reduction-based converged architecture, which means that we are reducing the amount of physical management, we are reducing the amount of physical equipment, the amount of IP addresses, and allows you now to condense that into an overall data center architecture that means it's much easier to automate, orchestrate as part of a strategy. A FlexPod architecture from NetApp is built around performance, efficiency and scale. And in previous generations, we've done those in individual silos with individual architectures. And a FlexPod from NetApp effectively reduces that into a single data center footprint. So the managed backup service actually complements your existing on-premise FlexPod by accessing some external capability from managed service providers that have built a ready-made architecture purposely for backup. We're starting to see a lot of organizations now using NetApp technology to hybridize their environment. And what that means is this mentality of people now starting to become brokers of service as opposed to trying to build. So many managed service providers and public cloud hyperscalers are offering services now that are ready built and really easy to buy in and integrate into your on-premise infrastructure.